Hello guys. Um, this is my song to Pan that I wrote 3 years ago before I started traveling. It's actually to him and to one of his lovers, Artemis. And I wanted to sing it for you guys on Beltane, but I was busy. So this is for you guys. Sitting next to waters where she calls to me. The echo would whisper her beckoning, an ancient haunting of the past. The enchanted goddess returns at last. The mighty altar strings her bow as the flowers bloom through the snow. I need to know your love is kind. I need to know your love is mine. I need to grow inside your mind. I need to glow until we shine. The earth calls us to unwind, unfolding nature through all the time. By the mountain forest, by the lion lone sea, by the sword of the moon, you swore into me. The mystical union of furry and fawn, the sacred communion from dusk till dawn. I need to know your love is kind. I need to know your love is mine. I need to grow inside your mind. I need to glow until we shine. The earth calls us to unwind, unfolding nature through the time. Thank you guys. Happy Beltane and blessed be everyone.